Myself, Deepak Siyar. I'm from Mangalore. I work as an assistant executive engineer. I look after the power supply for the entire area in Baikampadi. It covers somewhere around 22,000 installations. Major in the operation and maintenance of those areas, power sector. Most GIS we use extensively, but we got certain basic ideas here. Earlier, when we used to visit, attend some of the programs in GIS, we never used to understand certain language what they were telling, but it's somewhat clear right now. Definitely, because the major part of the work what we do is the maintenance of the line. We have the good old days practice. We have the maps. We don't have the maps. We just have the handwritten circuits. We can convert now those things into a GIS maps on late on the Google Maps or something, and definitely it will utilize us to do the maintenance or in outage management. Definitely it will help. Yes, faculty is very good actually. The course but somewhat the example what they take, it might be a general one, but it may not be relevant, because whenever some professional comes from certain stream, he thinks of the same example, so it may be regarding that certain example what they took may not be relevant for us. But to correlate it, if you include certain stream individually, let's say for electrical stream who work in power utility, then you can at least gather the data related to them, so that you can those people will get what exactly you are telling, because the examples will definitely make you understand better. They can conduct a week program on GIS again. That may it should include more of a practical purpose. They should go on survey. They have to do one complete project rather than sitting in the classrooms. It's better to do one complete project from the bottom scratch to the analysis portion. That would be helpful.